So now, the behavior that I don't want is what? Is the person to say the opposite thing on purpose to get attention. So now, it goes like this. So let's say somebody does something to get attention. I go, oh, you're doing such a good job. High five, high five. You're paying attention, awesome. I appreciate high five, of course. You're doing such a good job. I love the way. Okay, so now, when I wasn't looking at these two ladies, what was the expression on my face?
Happy.
Happy, what else? Excited, pleased, okay, whatever your mind tells you. When I was looking at her and when I was looking at her, what would you say the expression of my face was when I was looking at you? Say it again. Okay, well you don't have to take her answer. You said impatient, that's fine. Oh, okay, just making sure. Say, you were angry. I guess I was angry, okay. So impatient, angry, what would you say the expression of my face was? Say that again? I was not satisfied how you were acting, okay? Anybody else have a different opinion on what the expression was? What's that? Okay, so I don't like you, is that what you said? Okay. All interpretation based on the voice, that's just blah, 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 blah. So, have you ever had somebody in your life that gave you a look that resembled that, they turned out to be angry with you? Who said angry? You. Okay. Okay, got it. Everyone's okay. What was the word that you used before she told you what word you were using? Impatient. Have you ever had somebody in your life give you a look that they turned out to be impatient? Have you ever had somebody in your life give you a look that they turned out like they didn't like you or they didn't like what you were doing? Okay? So now, have I ever met anybody here? I don't think so. I mean, a couple of you, like when I did programs years ago, but the reason why I know that is because when human beings are introduced to something new, they have no choice, but they have to go backwards. And they have to go backwards into the past to try to figure it out.